treated as a RD. So this RD command is used to remove or delete the directory or a folder in DOS. Okay, so you can write down the path as well as, or you can directly write down the directory or folder that you want to delete it. So C:, okay, RD then temp. Suppose I have created a temporary directory that I want to delete, or else you can give a location also. How to do it? RD in the D drive under my docs. The file is what, the directory is what I want to delete, and it will delete it. Okay. Next is the one that is a change directory command, CHDIR, or CD command is there. Okay. CD command or CHDIR is to change from the one directory to another in DOS along with the command. Okay, and you can also use the pathway if it is necessary, then you can use it. Okay, so how to do it? And that you have to change. I'm writing this file. Okay, so this command will actually move to the directory called temp to under the C drive. Okay, and next you can mention in a pathway format also, you can do it. Okay, now there is another command is that is a copy command. Okay, what is the function of a copy command? The copy command is to copy a file from one location to a different one, or make a copy of a file with a different name at the same location. In the different location also can be possible, or with the same location another copy is also possible. So how to do it, that one? So you mention the command copy, then it is a source file name located on the C drive. Suppose C drive, I have a source file that is named as biodata. It is a document file docc. Okay, then we will write down, you have to make a copy of where this is a location biodata docc. Okay, so you have to copy it. So one file within, after that if you enter, then you can see the one copy will be there. One file will be copied. In this way you can get, or you can use a different location as well where you want to copy. This one will also be possible. Okay, now another one internal command that is there, that is a rename one. Okay, so rename one is that also known as the ren command. Okay, so the rename or the ren command is used to rename a file or directory. The rename command is to follow the path and the file directory name to rename, and then change the file directory name as is rename. So older file, and then you have to mention the new file name. Okay, so what is the syntax for it? You will write down this one. Rename. Suppose after that my data.txt is my old file, then you have to write down txt, piu.txt. I am changing it. Okay, so in this way you can change it. Next is del is there. Del is simply whatever file you want to delete, it can delete. Okay, file. In case of you can say that another one delete format where there is a folder and this one, but this delete will be delete the particular file. So for this we have to use del, then it is your file name whatever you choose. Suppose piu.txt I am on to delete, and enter, the one file will be deleted. Okay, so another one is there, that is a Dix Copy. The Dix Copy command is used to copy the complete content of a one floppy disk to another one. Okay, so you just mention the location from where to where you will write down. So what is this command for it? Then you will write down Dix Copy. From where to where you want to copy, then you have to drive down and then drive to where you want to copy. Okay, Then there is another very useful command is there, that is the most interesting one also, that is a tree command. Okay, so the tree command is allows the user to view the listing of files and folders in a easy graphical format. Okay, so directory under the what is other subdirectory. In this way, it can show you. Okay, so it is a pretty common one. Okay, so it is a homework, how to, I will give you a homework after this, that using this, whenever we do practical session, you can perform using the tree command. Okay, now there is another command is there, that is a move command. Okay, so what is the function of a move command? Using move command, you can move one file location to the another one. Okay, so for this reason the example is same thing, like the destination you have to give, that is C:/, then you have to move. Okay, the suppose test.doc, that is a file I want to move in a D drive. Okay, the location, destination drive location you will give, it can. Or another one, there are very popular one is there, that is a volume one. Okay, volume, it will you display the drive specified space, then its level is also there. Okay, so there are many commands are there, these internal commands are there, that it's very important. Okay, the command that is important I have already mentioned, and the next one, that is another topic is there, that is the wildcard characters. Okay, so there are two symbols are available. One is actually star and another one is a question mark. So these two symbols are actually known as a wildcard character. This allows the user in DOS to specify a group of files. Okay, so the wildcard character star indicates any group of characters, any group of character. I'm only writing char, and the question mark indicates single character. Okay, so if I'm giving you an example how to find out, suppose suppose you want to, in a DOS, you want to find out all the file which is having the DOC extension, that is a doc extension. So how to find out that one? So for that reason, what you have to do, or you have to copy something somewhere. So what you have to do? You have to copy, suppose, all the document type of file. Okay, so you have to give star, then dot doc. Okay, then C/, and where you want to copy, suppose it is a temporary file and you want to copy, so you give it the location. Okay, and another one is also be there, that is you know the file name. Some cases you know the file names, or you want to copy a particular file but you don't know actually the extension or something. So that we can, what you can do, so you can do suppose a copy, then we can continue with it, slash, then dir, then under D slash, suppose program file I'm finding, star, I don't know what is after that, and dot, then question mark. Okay, so single characters, if you don't know that point of time, question one I can give. So these are actually the example of the wildcard character. Many of the time question is coming, what is wildcard character, give a example or write down the syntax for it. So this is very important, the internal commands, and they can write down, you have to write down and mention the function as well as with the example, that is, so you have to mention the syntax. Okay, so I hope the DOS and the internal external commands are clear to you. Thank you, student. I'm ending my lecture over here.